Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to take measurements and cut a simple frock for a 1 to 2-year-old baby. This is a very easy design that beginners can also try. Let's start. First, we need a few basic measurements. Full length, measure from the baby's shoulder down to the knee or wherever you want the frock to end. For a 1 to 2-year-old baby, it is usually around 14 inches. Chest. Measure around the chest and divide it by 4. For example, if the chest is 20 inches, we will take 5 inches for the front pattern. Shoulder width. Normally around 4 inches for this age. Armhole depth. Usually 4 inches is perfect. Waist to bottom length. This is the skirt length, which is around 4.5 to 5 inches for this size. Neck width and depth. Take 2 inches width and 2 inches depth for the front neckline. Now let's start cutting the pattern. Fold the fabric once so that you get double layers. Make sure the fold is on the side of the fabric. Start from the top corner. First mark the shoulder line, 4 inches. From the top, mark down 4 inches for the armhole. From the fold side, mark 5 inches for the chest. Then draw a straight line across to join these points. Next, from the top, mark the full length of 14 inches and draw a vertical line. At the waist level, mark the skirt length, which is about 4.5 inches from there. Slightly curve the bottom line to give the frock a flared look. Now, shape the neckline. Mark 2 inches width and 2 inches depth for the front neck. Draw a smooth curve. For the back neck, keep the same width but only 1 inch deep. Shape the shoulder slope by marking 1/2 inch down from the neck point and joining it to the armhole. After that, draw a gentle armhole curve connecting the shoulder line to the chest line. Once all lines are marked, check your measurements again before cutting. Now, carefully cut along the lines you drew. Neckline, shoulder, armhole, side, and bottom. Remember, keep a small stitching margin of about 1/2 inch all around. Your basic frock front and back pieces are now ready. You can add sleeves or a gathered skirt, depending on your design. This simple cutting method gives you a perfect fit for a 1 to 2-year baby frock. Once you understand these basic measurements, you can easily increase or decrease them for other sizes. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy sewing tutorials.